Hello and welcome to this video tutorial, where we'll walk you through the process of setting up a virtual environment on your Mac. Virtual environments are essential tools for isolating Python projects and their dependencies, ensuring a clean and organized development environment. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create and manage virtual environments on your Mac. Step 1: Introduction to virtual environments. Before we dive into the installation process, let's quickly discuss what virtual environments are and why they're important. Virtual environments allow you to create isolated environments for different projects, each with its own set of dependencies. This prevents conflicts between packages and ensures that your projects remain stable and consistent. Step 2: Prerequisites. Before we proceed, make sure you have Python installed on your Mac. You can check your Python version by opening your terminal and typing Python 3 -- version. We have already installed Python 3.11.5. Step 3: Installing virtualenv. To create virtual environments, we'll be using a tool called virtualenv. If you don't have it installed, open your terminal, type pip3 install virtualenv, then press enter. Now wait until installation process complete. We have successfully installed virtualenv. Step 4: Creating a virtual environment. Now that we have virtualenv installed, let's create a new virtual environment. Open your terminal and type cd space your location name. Here I am using desktop. Now type virtualenv space your virtual environment name. I am giving it to venv. This command will create a new virtual environment named venv in the current directory. Step 5: Activating the virtual environment. To activate the virtual environment, open terminal and type source space venv/bin/activate. You'll notice that your terminal prompt changes, indicating that the virtual environment is active. This means any Python packages you install will be isolated within this environment. Step 6: Deactivating the virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment, and return to your global Python environment, simply type deactivate and press enter. Step 7: Installing packages. With the virtual environment activated, you can now install packages using pip as usual. For instance, type pip3 space install space your package name. I am installing Django here. Remember, any packages you install while the virtual environment is active will only be available within that environment. Step 8: Deleting a virtual environment. If you no longer need a virtual environment, you can easily delete it. First, make sure the environment is deactivated. Then run rm space -rf space your virtual environment name. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create, activate, and manage virtual environments on your Mac. By using virtual environments, you can keep your Python projects organized and free from dependency conflicts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more programming and development tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.